One of the most important pieces of equipment we have as professional anglers is obviously our tow vehicle. Now I have a 2500 diesel, so I want to talk about some of the maintenance and some of the things that I add to the diesel. The first two that I'm going to cover are basically the Diesel Treat 2000. There's a summer and a winter blend. Basically every tank of gas, tank of diesel that I put in, I'm only going to add 1 ounce for 15 gallons, and then in the winter a little bit more, 2 ounces for 15 gallons. But what it does is it basically takes a number 2 diesel and upgrades it to a premium diesel. And then the winter blend also has preventative things for gelling, so you don't have to deal with that situation. Now another product that I carry with me in an emergency, and thankfully I've not had to use it yet, is Diesel Hotline. And that's gonna be for a situation where if you actually do have gelling, can't get your truck started, that's gonna remove the gelling, allow you to get your truck started, make sure you can get it to a spot where you can warm it up. So that's only for emergencies, but something that Schaeffer's also provides you. Now, throughout the years, and I've had this truck for 3 years now, I've always used the parasympathetic diesel oil for all my different oil changes, and it's just a high quality oil, right? It exceeds all the standard recommendations that these truck manufacturers put out there. So whether you have a diesel or a gas truck, definitely look at the different additives and the oil products that Schaeffer's Oil has to offer you to make sure that that truck's running as well as it can year to year.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.